The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Lord Tara, I'm so nervous. What if he's ugly?
Why, Sasha girl, I feel it for you for true. You always seem to get the flop ones, while I always get the hot one. You remember your last blind date?
You mean the lean face one?
Look here. What a boy make Shrek look cute and delicate.
And in breath. Chemical death. I feel like bailing, you know.
No man, I could try something first. Switch bait. Give me your phone and you take mine. Me go inside, go look for him. You see any of him ugly? Me go send him a text message like I am you and tell him say you can't make it.
Good idea. Tara, you know you're original.
The original. Hold on. What am I supposed to be wearing again?
A blue shirt and a pair of jeans.
Blue shirt and pair of jeans. Blue shirt, pair of jeans. Blue shirt, pair of jeans.
A blue shirt and a jeans. Hello?
Girl, him ugly. Yeah, just one, yeah. Me meet up with you in a few.
So you're not coming?
I just see a friend of mine, so I'm gonna say hi for a while. You just go ahead, man. Hello?
Sasha,
Hello?
I'm behind you. I'm your date. Want some of my water? Next day.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. But I don't see no much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.